Convert all strings in a list to int. How do I convert all strings in a list to integers?
Given. Use map then list to obtain a list of integers. In Python 2, list was unnecessary since map returned a list.
Use a list comprehension on the list excess. For example,
there are several methods to convert string numbers in a list to integers. In Python 2, you can use the map function. Here, it returns the list of elements after applying the function. In Python 3, you can use the same map. Unlike Python 2, here map function will return map object i.e. iterator, which will yield the result values one by one. That's the reason further we need to add a function named as list, which will be applied to all the iterable items. Refer to the image below for the return value of the map function and its type in the case of Python 3. The third method, which is common for both Python 2 and Python 3, i.e. list comprehensions. If your list contains pure integer strings, the accepted answer is the way to go. It will crash if you give it things that are not integers. So, if you have data that may contain ints, possibly floats or other things as well, you can leverage your own function with error handling. Output. To also handle iterables inside iterables, you can use this helper. Output.
You can easily convert string list items into int items using loop shorthand in Python. Say you have a string result equals 1, 2, 3. Just do. It'll give you output like
What is the kernel piece into the system?